after getting traded, bro?
It's different. Like I think when you get traded, just seeing how much your life changes, that's what I've learned the most. So they post a picture of me and Giannis, and I see it, and I'm like, I thought it was speculation. But as I was like sliding down to like click on like the rest of the caption, my agent called me. Like right as I was looking at it, and he said, they traded you to Milwaukee. The next thought was like, this is happening for a reason. Like this might be what it was supposed to be. 33 years old, so like it's some expectations. I'm ready for this moment now. Like this is when it was supposed to happen. It's time to win.
That one was off balance. Lillard volleyballs it over, and Lillard goes down with an injury. He's grabbing his high ankle off the left leg.
And all the thunder follows around.
What is his life after getting traded, bro?